Hey guys, welcome back to Madera Farms.
Welcome
My name is
back to
Amelia.
Madera Farms.
What's your name?
Colton Golden Madera.
All right, and today we are, for the first time, taking baby sister to do the barn chores. So it's going to be interesting.
We got sheep yesterday.
We got sheep. Yes, we have sheep. What else do we have out there?
Chickens.
And what else?
Goats.
What else?
Pigs.
Pigs. We are going to be getting feeder pigs in about 2 months. So if you're in the Erie area or surrounding area and you're interested in getting some pork, let us know because we are deciding how many pigs to get now. Then the other thing is we are breeding our Frenchton. So she is going in a few days to get bred, and then she will probably have puppies end of February, beginning of March. Do you like the sheep?
Yes.
Okay.
Then they gave me kisses.
They do give you kisses.
And hugs too.
And what?
Then I have hugs.
They give you a hug?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's awesome. And that's very amazing too.
Yeah.
And it's very nice too.
Yeah, it's very nice. All right, what do you say? We get ready to go to the barn?
Yes.
All right, sister's gonna have to come, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do this. All right, so this is what we got.
That's what we got.
Her hat's already falling off.
Let's go.
I do not have to get hay.
Chickens.
Yeah. If I had to get hay, she definitely wouldn't be coming with us. I would wait till she naps because I would have to crawl up in the hay loft, and obviously that wouldn't work. What are you thinking, sis? So far, so good? Don't drop that binky or it's gonna be lost forever. You want to feed them?
That's my bucket. It's my bucket. It's my balls away. I need to get my goats.
The goats you just fed.
Anything small. Anything small. Move out of my way. That's no kidney. Let's go, kidney.
Well, thank God I have Colton, because if I didn't have Colton, this would be a lot harder. She's doing great. She's not crying, but she did lose her binky somewhere. I'm guessing it just fell down into the thing. I'm sweating, and I'm sure she is too. I need to get the eggs. So we're gonna do that now. Colton's got the bucket. I'm collecting the eggs because all the spots they lay are way too high for Colton to get. So I gotta get them all.
5 eggs in here.
We have 5? That's not very many, huh?
That's only some.
Yep.
Yes.
And steady. So if you guys don't know, I always leave 1 egg in each bin. That seems to encourage egg laying. Now this little girl is probably gonna freak out on me. You always have 1 chicken. Gives the attitude. Come on. Come on. Then, huh? She's something else, isn't she? These eggs, so.
All those eggs.
Hold the bucket, nice.
Go.
That's not very many.
That's not very many.
But they usually lay midday, so not surprised. What do you think, sis? What do you think, Theo? First time in the barn? Doing barn chores? Are you a fan? Andrew just finished our barn roof, so it looks amazing. We don't have any more leaks in the barn. So our next project is to reconfigure the inside of our barn. I'm gonna flip you guys around so you can see what I'm talking about. First of all, it needs cleaned bad. So please don't judge. It was clearly set up for a horse barn, and we've made some slight modifications over the few years we've been here. So this is a complete chicken coop, a mini coop in here. It's hard to see, but we use that for our chicks. So it's completely fenced in. All of this is fenced in. We've dug down into the ground so they're protected. And we cut the side of our barn open so they can kind of go in and out. Now, this just has all kinds of wood and stuff collected in it, that last stall. This is where we kind of feed everyone for now, and then the pigs hang out here. So the plan is, I'm gonna back up so you guys can see. The plan, I think what we're gonna do is from here over, we're gonna put a half wall. So I'm thinking the wall will go up to here, okay? So that is gonna be, and then we're gonna take out that back stall. So that whole side will just be open to the sheep and probably the goats. And then we're gonna build in a feeder on that wall. So it's gonna be permanent, it won't knock down. Then I think what we're gonna do here is, these are 2 stalls. I think we're probably gonna have to keep this stall and we will reconfigure it a little bit, maybe make it 2 little stalls for kidding and lambing. And we'll still keep this gate. These pigs, hey, no.
No.
These are potbelly pigs, and we're actually trying to get rid of them because they're just costing us money at this point. And then this stall, I think we're just gonna open up or we're gonna make that part into one big entry. So we're gonna lose some of the space in the middle here. However, it's gonna make it a lot easier to feed everyone. And our goal is to increase our sheep herd. So as you can see, making pretty much half the barn open for feeding and sheep and goats will be much more beneficial to us than leaving it how it is, because this just isn't working. All right, here you go, bud. We're gonna head inside and we're gonna clean these eggs. What do you think?
Good.
Okay. If y'all do any construction on your barn, you know that the outside becomes kind of the dumping ground for all of the work that's being done. So that all needs to be cleaned up as well. But let me get a good shot of the barn roof. It looks really nice. And the plan is to paint the outside black and then do some natural wood trim. I think that'll look really nice, but they still have some pieces that they need to finish. So it's looking a lot better, but still need to do a lot.
I need help.
Okay.
I have both. We both will take it.
I'll take it.
I'll
take it, buddy. Go ahead.
That way. Let's go to the barn today and pick some feed the pigs, the chickens. I feed them. Then we grind some eggs.
Yeah, you did a great job.
I did a great job.
Now it's Colton's responsibility to separate the eggs from the clean, from the dirty ones, and then we wash them and put them in the cartons, and then we sell them. So, are you ready? We only have a couple to do. So are you gonna do them? Show everyone what you do?
Yep.
Okay.
I need to get right there. Buy the coffee.
Okay. Good job. You good?
This is good. This is clean. This is the brand new one. This is a clean one.
Ew.
That's a clean one. This is a clean one.
Okay.
It's a put in an egg carton. It's clean. It's a put in an egg carton.
We're just gonna let these soak. We usually let them soak for about 5 minutes just in water. we don't put any cleaner or anything in. It's just well water. We let them soak and then everything comes off. And then we'll put them in the carton, and we have someone coming to get 3 dozen eggs here in a little bit, which I already have those ready. And then I'm sure we'll sell out of these soon. So that's all we have for you for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Friends, for hanging out with us.
Bye.
Bye.